Hello, my name is Albert, and I'm the Product Marketing Manager here at Cloud Academy. In today's video, we're going to show you a use case that you can conduct with Content Engine to add customized content alongside Cloud Academy content in either a customized learning path or onboarding. In this example, we're going to go ahead and upload new resources into our Content Engine platform, and then we're going to add it to a learning path in our second part. Let's get started. So in here, we're going to go ahead and create a new document. We're going to go ahead and enter the title, which is Introduction to Cloud Computing. We're going to go ahead and upload a file. We're going to click Upload. And you'll notice here that you can preview this file before it goes live. Content Engine Custom Resources supports everything from documents to videos and images, so you can vary up how you customize your learning. In the next part, we'll go ahead and add a cover image. Then we'll go ahead and add a full description. Then we're going to go ahead and add it to a skill objective. In this case, it'll be Cloud Fundamentals. Let's click Next. In this next section, you're going to go ahead and assign permissions. Click Save here. And you'll notice that this document has not yet been published. What you can do here is click on it, press Actions, and click Publish, and it'll be now available for use. Now to the second part. We're going to go into Learning Paths. In this case, you can create your own learning path by clicking on Create. And here, you can add everything you want, either creating a learning path from scratch or clone an existing learning path to fit your needs. In our situation here, we've already created a learning path, and we'll just go ahead and look at it now. So you'll notice we have an unpublished learning path that was previously published that we unpublished for this example. Here, we'll click on Get Started Building Cloud Solutions. We'll click on Actions, or rather Open. And you'll notice here that you have all the various incidentals within how to create a learning path, including the title, a cover image, a library description, and a landing page description. This learning path already existed prior to this example, so we don't need to change anything. If you're creating a new learning path from scratch, you will need to fill out all of these elements in order to have it show up in your version of the Cloud Academy library. Finally, there's skill objectives, and there's also library placement. So we're going to go ahead and click Save here. And then we're going to go into content selection. You'll notice that here under content selection, this learning path already has many different things that satisfy the learning path elements. So you have everything from courses to quizzes to hands-on labs, and then a final exam at the end. In order to add the document that we want to add here, we're going to click on Add Steps. And we're going to go ahead and go into Resources, where we created our file, and we're going to click Introduction to Cloud Computing. You'll notice that the check mark has been checked, and we can click Complete Selection. And you'll notice that at this part of the learning path, it's at the very bottom. What's good here is you can move it to anywhere you'd like. So we're going to go ahead and move this to the very top. And there we go. So we're going to go ahead and click Save. And then we're going to offer permissions to the entire company. And then we're going to go ahead and click Publish. If you go back to Learning Paths, you'll notice that this learning path is now available and can be accessed by going into your Cloud Academy platform. So we'll go ahead and click back to Site. We'll click on Cloud Computing Fundamentals. We will choose Learning Paths. And you'll notice that the content that we created is now right here. So if you want to verify that the content that you have created is now available, simply go down to the Learning Path steps, and you'll notice that what we have created is now here. So with this in mind, you can do a lot of different things with your cloud training, whether it's creating a new onboarding process, perfecting an existing onboarding process, or adding new content so that your teams understand how cloud is customized. If you're looking to do this for yourself, log into your Cloud Academy account today and see what's possible.